Hey man, I'm starving. How much longer do you think you're gonna be?
I'm almost there.
You know what I haven't had in a long time is a great cheeseburger.
Yeah, me too, man. Everything around here is kind of mediocre, though.
Okay, I found something that looks pretty interesting, and it might require a little adventure. The site looks a bit questionable, but what's the worst that can happen? They're called the Adventure Burgers.
I love adventure.
We need to drive to an epic location where no one else is around. Then we have to cook the patties over hot coals. The meat can't touch the flames until the sun is about to set.
Coals? As in charcoal?
Oh yeah, we're gonna need a charcoal grill for this. Good thing I brought my Overland grill.
Huh. I don't understand. A week ago, this was a forest.
I guess it's true what they say about development happening overnight in Vancouver. The recipe clearly states that the view must be epic and absent of any other people.
I have another spot we can try. We need to hustle, it's a little ways away.
The grill!
That's Andy!
Let's get him! Hang on, man, I gotta take a leak real bad!
How many cans of sparkling water did you drink? Always with the sparkling water.
No keys. What the? I just had the keys. They were right here.
You lost your keys?
The Jeep won't start up. My keys were right here on the seat.
How'd you lose your keys? You just had them.
I know.
Really?
I just wanted to make some epic burgers. Now we're stranded out here in the middle of nowhere. Andy's got my grill, and I'm starving.
Why couldn't we just go to McDonald's like normal people?
I wanted some epic burger.
Did you hear that?
Bear! Sean, what do I do? What do I do?
JC, drop the keys.
I can't believe we got attacked by a bear
And our beef is gone.
and our grill got stolen.
Dude, I'm starving. I got a couple of bags of chips in the back. Why don't we just go to our spot?
As long as there's no more bears. Is that Andy's Jeep?
Yes.
Let's get our grill back.
I could hear you guys. I'm really sorry about stealing your grill.
Doesn't matter, we lost all our beef fighting a bear anyways.
Well, it kind of matters. It was my grill.
How about I make it up to you? I brought enough beef to make way more burgers than I can eat.
Wow, I can't believe we made it.
Man, I slept so good last night after those burgers.
So what was your original plan with this barbecue?
We were headed up here to try this epic new recipe called the Adventure Burger.
Is that the one that instructs you to grill your burgers over a charcoal grill while the sun is setting with an epic view and nobody around?
Yes, that's the one.
Yeah, that's my recipe.
It was a sunny afternoon, so hot, and they were getting so hungry. They were thinking about some food, yum yum. Some burgers would be money, so they were looking for a place to grill. But where they used to